The world of technology is changing fast, and it's almost impossible to keep up with the rapid advancements. One of the biggest changes is artificial intelligence, or AI, which is transforming industries and daily life. AI is about making computers think like humans, enabling them to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Grok AI is a new player in this exciting field, bringing innovative solutions and fresh perspectives. It's designed to be incredibly smart and capable, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. Grok AI comes from xAI, a company started by Elon Musk, who is no stranger to groundbreaking technology. Musk is known for his ambitious projects like Tesla and SpaceX, which have already revolutionized their respective fields. He believes that AI has the potential to change the world in ways we can only begin to imagine. Grok AI is his vision for the future of AI, aiming to create a more intelligent and responsive technology. Imagine a computer that can understand you, answer your questions, and even learn from you, adapting to your needs. That's the promise of Grok AI, a technology designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. It's designed to be more than just a tool. It's meant to be a partner in learning and exploration. Grok AI aims to assist in education, research, and everyday tasks, making technology more accessible. Grok AI is still in its early stages, but it's already making waves in the tech community. It's a sign of how quickly AI is developing and how it continues to evolve. The future of AI is full of possibilities, and Grok AI is at the forefront of this exciting revolution, ready to shape the world. In February 2025, xAI unveiled Grok 3. This is the third version of their AI. Elon Musk called it scary smart. This got a lot of people talking. What made Grok 3 so special? Grok 3 is a big step up from older versions. It can understand and use information in new ways. It's like the difference between a student and a professor. Grok 3 can handle complex tasks and give detailed answers. This new AI is also very good at learning. It uses a huge amount of data to get smarter. This includes text, code, and even information from the internet. Grok 3 is constantly learning and improving. The launch of Grok 3 was a big event in the AI world. It showed that xAI is serious about competing with the biggest names in tech. Grok 3 is a sign that the future of AI is going to be very interesting. The world of AI is a competitive place. Grok 3 has some tough competition. It's up against some of the biggest names in tech. These include OpenAI's GPT-4o, Google's Gemini, and China's DeepSeek. Each of these AI systems has its own strengths. GPT-4o is known for its language skills. Gemini is powerful and versatile. DeepSeek is backed by the resources of China. Grok 3 has to prove itself against these giants. The competition isn't just about bragging rights. It's about shaping the future of AI. The winner will have a big influence on how we use AI in our lives. This makes the competition exciting to watch. Grok 3 has some advantages in this race. It's designed to be fast, accurate, and easy to use. It also has access to a huge amount of data from X, the social media platform. This gives it an edge in understanding real-world information. Grok 3 is powerful because of the technology behind it. It uses a lot of computing power to process information. This is like having a giant brain working on a problem. Grok 3's brain is made up of thousands of computer processors. These processors work together to analyze data and find patterns. They can handle huge amounts of information very quickly. This is what allows Grok 3 to learn and adapt so quickly. Training Grok 3 requires massive amounts of data. This data comes from various sources, including books, articles, and websites. It also uses something called synthetic data. This is artificial data created to help Grok 3 learn even faster. Grok 3 is designed to avoid mistakes. It uses a process called self-correction. This means it can check its own work and fix errors. This helps to make Grok 3 more reliable and accurate than previous AI systems. Section 5. Grok's Variations, a family of AI. Grok 3 isn't just one thing, it's a whole family of AI models. Each model is designed for a specific purpose. This makes Grok 3 very versatile. It can be used for a wide range of tasks. There's a Grok 3 model for writing, a model for coding, and a model for research. This allows users to choose the best model for their needs. It's like having a toolbox full of different AI tools. One of the most interesting Grok 3 models is the mini version. This model is smaller and faster than the full version. It's designed for devices like smartphones and laptops. Grok 3's variety of models makes it very adaptable. It can be used by individuals, businesses, and researchers. This makes it a powerful tool for anyone who needs to process information quickly and accurately. Section 6. Deep Search. Unveiling the web's secrets. One of the most impressive features of Grok 3 is Deep Search. This is a powerful research tool that can scan the entire internet for information. It's like having a team of researchers at your fingertips. Deep Search can help users find information that would be difficult or impossible to find using traditional search engines. It can access and analyze information from millions of websites, documents, and databases. When a user asks a question, Deep Search doesn't just return a list of websites. It provides a summary of the most relevant information. This saves users time and effort. Deep Search is also integrated with X, the social media platform. This means it can access real-time information and conversations happening online. This makes Deep Search an invaluable tool for staying up to date on current events and trends. Section 7. Accessing Grok, Pricing and Plans. XAI wants to make Grok 3 accessible to as many people as possible. They offer different pricing plans to fit different needs. This ensures that everyone can benefit from the power of Grok 3. The basic access to Grok 3 is included with the X Premium Plus subscription. This costs $50 per month. This gives users access to the main features of Grok 3, including its language processing and information retrieval capabilities. For users who need more advanced features, there's the Super Grok plan. This plan costs $30 per month or $300 per year. It offers additional benefits, such as more deep search queries and unlimited image generation. XAI also plans to make Grok 3 available to businesses through its Enterprise API. This will allow businesses to integrate Grok 3 into their own products and services. This will open up a wide range of possibilities for using Grok 3 in new and innovative ways. Section 8. The Quest for Truth and Neutrality. XAI has set an ambitious goal for Grok 3 to be a truth-seeking AI. This goal is not just a technical challenge, but a philosophical one as well. This means that Grok 3 is designed to provide unbiased and accurate information. It aims to be a reliable source that people can trust. It's not influenced by personal opinions or beliefs. Instead, it strives to present facts as they are, without any distortion. Achieving true neutrality is a challenge for any AI system. The complexity of human knowledge and the subtlety of biases make this a daunting task. AI models are trained on massive amounts of data, which can reflect the biases of their creators. These biases can be subtle and deeply ingrained. SAI is aware of these challenges and is actively working to mitigate them. They understand that the stakes are high. One of the ways XAI is addressing bias is by carefully selecting and curating the data used to train Grok 3. This involves a meticulous process of data vetting. They are also developing techniques to identify and correct for bias in the AI model itself. This is an ongoing effort that requires constant vigilance. Grok 3's commitment to truth and neutrality is crucial. It represents a new standard in the quest for reliable information. In an era of misinformation and fake news, it's more important than ever to have access to reliable and unbiased information. The public's trust depends on it. Grok 3 has the potential to be a powerful tool for combating misinformation and promoting a more informed public discourse. Its success could pave the way for future advancements in AI-driven truth-seeking. Section 9. The Future of Grok: A Glimpse Ahead. Grok 3 is still a young AI system, but it has already made a significant impact. From enhancing daily tasks to providing insightful data analysis, Grok has become an integral part of many lives. It's a testament to the rapid pace of innovation in the field of artificial intelligence. The advancements we've seen in just a few years are nothing short of remarkable. The future of Grok is full of exciting possibilities. As we look ahead, we can envision a world where AI seamlessly integrates into our daily routines. XAI has ambitious plans for the future of Grok. They aim to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve, exploring new frontiers and applications. They are constantly working to improve its capabilities, adding new features, and expanding its knowledge base. This continuous development ensures that Grok remains at the cutting edge of technology. Grok is expected to become even more powerful and versatile in the coming years. Its potential applications are vast, ranging from personal assistance to complex problem-solving tools. One of the most anticipated developments is the introduction of a voice mode for the Grok app. This feature will revolutionize how users interact with the AI, making it more accessible and convenient. This will allow users to interact with Grok using natural language voice commands, making it even more intuitive and user-friendly. Imagine asking Grok for information or assistance just by speaking to it. XAI also plans to open-source Grok 2, the predecessor to Grok 3, once Grok 3 is deemed stable. This move will democratize access to advanced AI technology. This will allow researchers and developers around the world to access and build upon XAI's work, further accelerating the development of artificial intelligence. The collaborative potential is immense. The future of Grok is bright. With each new update and feature, Grok is set to become an even more integral part of our lives. As AI continues to evolve, Grok is poised to play a leading role in shaping how we interact with information, technology, and the world around us. The journey ahead is filled with promise and potential.